There is a certain kind of room that changes how you show up. I have walked into events and immediately realized that I was one of the youngest in the room, and sometimes the only one who was young. So, in these situations, I often ask myself, do I really belong here? Over the past few years, I had the opportunity to attend many seminars, events, be part of roundtable discussions, and lead some important conversations with business leaders and policymakers. Early on, I thought that authority came from talking the most and proving that I was worthy enough to be in the room. However, over the period of time, I've realized that authority does not work that way. It's about understanding and reading between the lines, which helps you to figure out what's next. Especially in a room where experience already exists, there is no need to compete, but instead to understand how you can complement their ideas and discussions. Authority works in a very different way. It's all about understanding how well do you listen, you contribute, and you put across your point without offending anyone in the room. But at the same time, explaining your point of view in a way which actually generates value. One of the big learning for me was not to match their experience or to understand that only experience brings credibility to the room. It is about understanding what you bring on table and how clearly you explain your perspective to them. There have been many instances where I was asked to, or where I was supposed to ask different questions to understand their rationale and mindset better, to learn from their experiences and to understand how I can avoid making the same mistakes again. And when I started with this journey of mine, being humble, being more accepting of the point of view was something that really helped me in changing the narrative. That's when I understand how important psychology is, and accordingly making sure that they are comfortable with leading the conversation with someone younger than them. When you have done your research in understanding what is the rationale behind an event, it gives you a lot of confidence. And I must say that preparation comes from confidence. Understanding the reason behind your conversation will help you not to oversimplify or over-communicate your thoughts or ideas. In the India-Australia corridor, from my experience, I've learned that most of the senior policymakers and business leaders are not looking for those lengthy conversations or heavy dialogue. They're just looking for simple clarity in understanding how can both the geographies work better when they complement each other and not compete. Today, I still walk into the rooms where I'm the youngest, and I don't try running away from them or changing anything, but I rather use that as an opportunity to further advance my capabilities in this area. How do I do that? It's a very simple thing. I just make sure that I take the most out of that opportunity, learn from the experienced business leaders, understand how over the period of time I can adapt to new situations, new mindset, and new geographies. And that's when working along them and not competing but complementing is something where I can learn the most and grow. So, if you ever find yourself in a room where you are the youngest, just pause, observe, and listen. And understand that talking much is not the only way to gain attention. It's about understanding what do you bring on table is where your real value generation is. So go ahead, come out of your comfort zone and make the most out of this opportunity.